Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to eliminate the arbitrary constants. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do first the derivative of r, and we have negative a sine theta plus b cosine theta. Later that we do second derivative of r, and this one we have cosine theta, and this one we have negative sine theta. So we see that we have negative, this one we have positive. So we just sum this one and this one, they cancel each other in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.